Morning. So we're off to Scredden. It's 43 degrees, 48.8 minutes north, 15 degrees, 55.2 minutes east. That's on chart NK15. As you come into the marina, you come under two bridges on the way up the river. The second bridge lets you know you're coming close, so that's when you start putting your fenders and that out. When you come into the waypoint, you should see our flags to call us up on channel 72.
Sounds easy enough. And with that, we set off on our convoy up the winding river from Šibenik to Scredden.
Captain. How are you finding steering it?
Alright.
Easy.
There's not a lot to crash into here.
That's true.
We passed by St. Nicholas Fortress, which I was itching to visit, but perhaps another day.
So today we're heading up to Šibenik along the river and heading north where there's like a national park with waterfalls. Looks pretty cool from the pictures and that. Might be quite busy this time of year given it's the end of August. The town we're stopping at has a lot of facilities as well, so just like camping, we're at a place now that's got all the mod cons and stuff, so we'll be able to have a proper shower. And so I haven't showered today at all. There's no point, you know, you get out of bed, you sweat, you want to have a shower, but you have a quick wash down. Then you kind of just shove creams on, like lotion, like sun lotions and mosquito stuff on the evenings and that. Yeah, never ending really. Quite another warm day today. Yesterday wasn't too bad, it's a bit of cloud cover, but today it's pretty much blue sky everywhere. So yeah, naturally the heat's going to be up the ante a little bit. This is probably the first time this morning, today so far, but I'm feeling a little bit of a breeze, which is so welcomed right now. You know, me and heat doesn't go together very well. But yeah, I'm just kind of itching to get onto land, and apparently there's like some sort of fort on there as well. There's the waterfalls, the nature reserves and that, so I'm looking forward to just chilling out. Apparently sea turtles have been spotted en route as well, so we'll be keeping an eye out for those, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll see some. We're just checking whether we can clear the bridge, because the mast is quite tall and the bridge is coming. There's a guy bungeeing in there in a second. Yeah. Jump! Oh, it's close. Oh yeah, loads. We made it, it's cool. Alright, so we're about to head into the gorge. We've started going through it already, you can kind of tell. Not quite what I was expecting. I was thinking it'd be like really tall, really narrow sort of crevices. And it may still get like that, but right now it's just starting to close in. And we're about to start our windy journey up the river.
Rachel and I headed into town to grab some lunch, snacks and drinks, as well as our ferry tickets to the stunning Croatia National Park. Later that afternoon, we finally made our visit, and what a treat it was! Croatia National Park has 860 species and subspecies of plants across its 142 square kilometers region and is home to some 222 birds, including golden eagles, peregrine falcons, griffon vultures and eagle owls, plus protected species of mammals including bats and otters. This stunning park earned its national park status in 1985 and is one of the most popular attractions in Croatia.
So we're here at Croatia National Park, where, as you can see, we've got waterfalls right behind us, and at the bottom of the waterfalls we can actually go for a dip, which is something we're very much looking forward to because it's absolutely roasting. It's still 33 degrees. It's around 3:30, 4 o'clock-ish, I think. So it's still pretty hot, and we're going to go for a nice cool dip later on. So we've just passed the halfway point now, around the whole falls area, and now we're heading back down to the bottom where the big falls are and where you can take a dip. Well, just follow some steps down to this place here. I'm not sure where it comes out. Ah, more steps. There's like this beautiful pathway that you sort of follow around this sort of nature park, and now and again you get this odd trail that goes off, which is what I walk down, and clearly there's steps that go back up, but what I don't know is, had I not come down here, will I still get to the same point? In which case, what's so special about this bit that would warrant the little diversion? Let's have a walk up. Rachel's with the dad, should be fine. See what's up here then. I've just watched loads of people walk down there, and now even Rachel's walked down there. There she is, popping up in the corner of the screen. Oh, check this! National Park, reptiles, snakes. So that basically sums up Croatia National Park. Just about to jump on the ferry now, which will take us back to the harbour, and then we're going to have a well-deserved shower because we're all feeling it. It's all hot and sticky, and now we want to just kind of cool off, freshen up, and go for dinner.